we're in a Honda Pilot. The map light, reading light, whatever you want to call it, it's not working. We're in a Honda Pilot, but they have the same lighting unit here in other Hondas, Accords. I know they have them in some Accords, but here we are in a 2008 Honda Pilot. We're gonna pop this lens off first. It's got 2 tabs holding it on here and 2 tabs holding it on the other side. I'm using this little plastic prying tool right here, although you could use a regular flathead screwdriver or even a butter knife. Just be careful, you want to pull this straight down. You don't want to bend it because that could break the tab. So right here, after I pop that out, I don't want to bend this down and break the tabs on that side. So I just want to be careful to make sure I pull the other side straight down like that. There's your 2 tabs right there. Those are what's holding it on. So that's what you don't want to break. There's your bulb right there. Just gonna use my pry tool to pop that out. There we go. I'm putting in a new LED bulb here. Of course, you don't have to do that. You could put in an incandescent bulb again, but I'm switching over to LED. Super simple. Pop it in. Test to make sure it works. Boom. And you can just pop this lens back on by hand.